But at the end of the day, whether bibili ka ng bahay o magre-renta ka, parehong tumataas.
Yeah, yun.
The rent is going up.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
really, it's like, anong gusto mo? I mean, yung mortgage mo na fixed na for 30 years?
Yes.
O yung rent mo na continue to go up based on the
Yeah.
consumer price index or inflation, di ba?
Yeah. And with that, like I said, we're seeing a lot of home buyers in the game now. We're seeing a lot of people now sa open house, right? Nakikita na natin yan, right?
Yes, it's picking
Yeah,
up.
people are looking, people are back in the game. So, yun ang maganda naman sa business natin. Though, like I said, I wanted the rate to go down more sana eh.
Hindi,
You know?
kasi ito ang mga worries ng a lot of consumer when they buy, when they're like, okay, I'm gonna buy a house, am I gonna be able to afford the mortgage?
Yes.
Okay. So at the end of the day, okay, if the market continue to go up, at least they projected like, 4 or 5%.
Yeah.
Very small na yung 3%, ha?
Oo.
Okay. So, kung hindi mo ba kayanan ng payment, at least kahit papano, maibebenta mo pa rin yan nang hindi
Yes.
ka lugi.